For this video, I will be showing you how to fix one common problem you may have with UMD discs with the PSP. These horrible quality plastics right here. Well, this one's brand new. I bought it like 4 days ago, so it looks nice in this. But you may have problems like this. Okay, this is a demo disc of God of War. As you can see right there, demo disc. I went to Future Shop and they gave me this for free. These cheap plastics can break many ways. The most common way is like this. What the hell is that? Like, it's supposed to be sealed like this. Nothing. Because this disc is like, has no protective layer on it, so that's why they make these crappy cases in my opinion. And they're poorly made, cause look, I could just drop it like that and then what happened? It's freaking cracked like this. A really good way I have found out to fix this problem. Now this case just happened to have another problem. This. What the hell was that? Freaking thing just pops open. I have no idea how to fix this right now. Like, you could tape it, but then it would break open super easy. So I usually just close it and leave it alone. But I think Sony should have just made the PSP have some like disc tray, so you don't have to open all this, or just put a disc like this in it, like that. You don't need no plastic or anything. It'll be so much cooler holding a tiny disc like this instead of one inside this plastic. Especially because if dirt gets stuck in here, oh, you cannot take it out. I want to see if this would work. Well, actually, it's not even. Oh, there we go. No, it's not working. Yeah, so that doesn't work out. Yeah, just slide that back in. Anyways, how to fix this problem. Damn it. I have a UMD disc. Wait, I try not to scratch the disc because it has no protective layer. Not like normal discs. Anyways, all you need is Scotch tape, regular Scotch tape, and a razor knife. So you take the Scotch tape, just take a piece, doesn't matter. Just put the tape as so. Starting, focus, camera, focus, it's focused. So, you put the tape at the edge like this, and make sure you hold it tightly closed, and just put the tape around as so, like that. That's where this baby comes in. Get a blade out and slowly, in an angle, just slice the excess tape off like that. Do it for both sides. And there. Done. Completed. You have just fixed that problem with the UMD. I mean, like, it won't open, but if you force it, it'll of course opens. Now this problem, no idea how to fix. I tried taping the top. Yeah, tiny poke, the tape will just peel right off. But anyways, I just snap in place and never touch it. And now, let's check if it works. God of War, Chains of Olympus. Demo only, but the disc has been fixed. yeah. Simple, easy method. Long ass video.